and it could be an application, and so that they can be able to appreciate like that. In university, Copperbelt University of Zambia, you're studying computer science, or you're studying computer engineering, you're studying electrical engineering, electronics, and mechatronics, and things of that ICT related or STEM related fields of that kind. This particular kit, if you purchase it, whether for your son, for your daughter, for yourself, even just refreshing your knowledge as you understand this digital stuff in the industry, it will become quite a little bit different from the way you actually understood things and the way things actually works, because you'd be able to have that hands-on exploration ability of these engineering principles. Now, not only that, the learners or the students who are using these Z Studies